This little bag is really extraordinary. First of all, it has glass handles, which I have never seen in my entire life on a handbag, in this gorgeous turquoise sort of blue glass. I'm thinking from the glass handles, it's probably 20s. This was made as a handbag, probably for export. Could have been a lovely gift that was bought in China. It could have been bought here in the United States. I think this was a handbag pattern that was embroidered and then put together. It was probably about that long. A band like that on the fold, seamed at the sides, instant handbag. If you look here, the embroidery stops pretty much at the seams. It's a reverse and repeat, which says to me it wasn't running yardage. There was a deliberate stopping here. If you look here, you can see the fold there. That's your reverse and repeat. And this is Chinese. There's the fretwork I talked about, and that's a Chinese cloud. They do clouds very specific way. And there's a phoenix, a very pale, beautiful phoenix. The colorations of this are lovely. What is interesting, they were doing some shading, and you can see it in the fish right there. They were bringing in some little details, and a little bit on the phoenix. Rather than just doing solid blocks of color, they've done a little tiny bit of blending. This is a twisted silk thread, and that's why it has a less shiny, glossy look. This is much more matte and a bit more subdued. It's really quite complicated. I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tones of green right there, and they've used those throughout, but they've sprinkled in blues and ivories. Very interesting detail is the gold bullion. Very, very, very narrow soutache. They did a beautiful little detail with the soutache where they brought it around down the sides of the bag and did a very pretty little teeny tiny cluster of loops. And then it's lined with a kind of simple little blue silk.